Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can install and use chromedriver for Selenium, so let's get right into it. First of all, a chromedriver is a executable or a extension which you use with Selenium to control Chrome. You can do this to make or test any automation programs which you might be making. And yeah, it's in general a very useful tool for such programming. Now, to install it, what you want to do is navigate to the site, and first and foremost, make sure to check which Chrome version you are using. Go into the top right in Chrome to the three dots, click on them, go to help, and go to about Chrome, and make sure you note down the first three digits of the version. Then go to the chromedriver official site, and once you're there, just navigate like this to the downloads page. You can go to downloads and versions section, then just go to this one, which is the one where you want to download it. Then you just want to click on the first latest stable version, and then just copy the link and put it here, and you will download it. Once you do download it, make sure that you extract it to the file where your root file of the project is. Make sure you set it up through the environment variables by going to the environment variables, and under system variables, editing the path variable to add a new variable, which is the path for the project or the exe for chromedriver. Now, once you do, you can import it like this. I think this is for Python, and if you're using Eclipse, you can import it like this. And yeah, that's the gist of it. That is how you install and use it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.